another video on circle fractions. Today I want to show relation between different fractions, okay? Relation between, I want to show you how 1/3 relates to 2/6, or how, here's the term, we can simplify fractions. What does it mean to simplify fractions? Okay, let's start out with our basic understanding. This is 1. All of these fractions represent parts of a whole. So when you put 2 together, 1/2 plus 1/2, you're going to end up with a whole circle. So notice that 2 over 2 equals 1. I have 2 pieces out of 2. 2 out of 2. The numerator, the top number, tells you how many pieces of that fraction you have. So 1 out of 2, I have 1/2. Now check this out. Out of 4, how many do I have? Oh, well, I have 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 4. Okay, check this out. What does it look like if I only have 2 out of 4? Notice it's the same shape. 2 out of 4 is the exact same thing as 1 out of 2. We can divide. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Simplifying fractions involves division and the reduction of our numerator and our denominator. Okay, so out of 8, how many pieces do I have? Let's say I have 3 out of 8. Awesome, 3 out of 8. 3/8 of a pie. 3 pieces. If I add a fourth, then I have 4 out of 8. Look, I have 1/2. I have 1/2. Check this out. Instead of just going straight to 1/2, we could do 2 out of 8. What size is 2 out of 8? Is that a quarter of a circle? Look at this. I can add 3/4. 1, 2, 3/4, and 2/8. 2 out of 8, and you get a full circle. I get 1. Okay. So I want you to see 2/8 is equal to 1/4. Right? 2/8 is equal to 1/4. 2/4 is equal to 1/2. And look, 1/4 plus 2/8 plus 1/2 is equal to 1. Fractions can work together. And this is awesome. They can reduce. We're going to get into factors, and we're going to get into, again, division and simplification of fractions in a future video. So if we have 5 pieces or 10 pieces, I want you to see that 10 is divisible by 5. We can divide 10 divided by 5 is 2, right? So we know that these will work together. 5 out of 10, 5 out of 10, well, that's 1/2. Okay, right? 5 out of 10, 1/2. What about if I have 2 out of 10? 2 out of 10. Is that the same as saying 1/5? 1 out of 10, 2 out of 10. Oh, it's the same. Okay, it reduces. Divide 10 by 2, you get 5. Divide 2 by 2, and you get 1. Okay. These work together. Let's say I have 4 out of 10. Okay? So let me change this. 4/10 is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/10. Oh, look, that's equal to 2/5 equals 2 out of 5. 4/10 equals 2/5. 1/5, 2/5. Boom. That's amazing. Fractions are really cool. Okay, and the same thing. If we're dealing with thirds, right? 1/3 or 2/3 or 3/3. Notice 3, 6, 9. Those are multiples. 6 and 12. 6 and 12 are multiples of 3. Okay? So let's say we have 2/3. Okay? 2/3 is equal to what? Let's divide them both, or multiply them both by 2. 4/6. Look at that. 2/3 is equal to 4/6. Okay? Draw my clean arrow here. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. Boom, full circle. So 2/3 is equal to 4/6. 1/3, 2/3. Check that out. That's just so cool how these work together. And then notice, let's say we have 6 out of 12. Oh, 6 out of 12. 6 is half of 12. That means it's half of a circle. Okay? What if we have 3 out of 12? 3 is 12 divided by 4. So it's a quarter. Check this out. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and then 3 out of 12. Oh, look, that's a quarter of a circle. So we can play with fractions. You can manipulate with numbers. Our next video is going to be about multiples and factors. So please check that out, and let us know if there's any other video that you need made. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.